You know, it's so important to prepare for the day. My week starts on Sunday by reviewing my calendar for the week. I do this no later than 3 p.m. on Sunday. I'm meal prepping for the week and getting items together such as my gym clothes, my water, my protein shake, and my vitamins for Monday, but also for the entire week. When Monday comes, it starts off at 4 a.m. and I'm at the gym by 5 a.m. I'm getting my mind straight by 7 a.m. by hanging out with my dogs, something very simple, but I enjoy that with my coffee. And I'm doing my cold plunge, I'm reading, I'm listening to my podcasts, and I'm putting together our training for our sales team for Tuesdays. I'm already putting together my calls for the week. And on Mondays, I'm in the database working on those calls. I'm sending out market reports for clients. I'm masterminding with our incredible agents within our Fast Forward family here at EXP, a meeting with operations all before 1 p.m. So how can I possibly get that done all before 1 p.m. on a Monday? Well, you have to remember, you have to decide to be intentional about what it is that you need to do. And by being intentional, it will help you change and improve what's important to you. And if you don't be intentional, then guess what? Nothing's going to change. So get out, crush your week, crush your day by being mindful and intentional. Take care.